product of two numbers with the common base. So we express them sum of the logarithm. I mean, if I have logarithm of, let's say, 2 times 3 to the base 5, this is equal to logarithm to the base 5 of 2 plus logarithm to the base of 5, 3. That's it. So when we have multiplication of two numbers, we use addition. And similarly, when we have division, so common base and numbers are divided. So we have the first one, numerator, minus the second one. Okay? So this will be logarithm to the base of 5. The numerator we write firstly, minus logarithm to base of 5, denominator we write secondly. So for multiplication, for the product we have addition, for the division we have subtraction. And then this is the thing, do you remember the test question I explained? One part I mean actually. So if you have logarithm to the base of p, x to the power of p, this power may come as a multiple of logarithm of x to base b. What does it mean? It means this, logarithm to the base 2 and 8. I can express this logarithm to the base 2 to the power of 3, and this 3 now may go in front 3 times logarithm to 2, and the property of logarithm of b to base b is 1, so 3 times 1 is 3. Same thing we have for the power of denominator. It's not given here, it will be given later, but I can tell you all in one formula, b to the power of m, x to the power of n is equal to n over m times logarithm of x to the base b. Example, logarithm, let's say 8 and let's say 125, for example. This is equal to logarithm 5 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 3. Or let's say this is not 8, maybe 16, let's say, better, 16. So it will be 4. And then this comes here, this comes here. It means 3 over 4 times logarithm of 5 to the base 2 is the final result. That's it. One common mistake, let me tell you, one common mistake. Sometimes students do this. This is wrong. We don't have logarithm of 2 plus 3 is equal to log 2 plus log 3. This is wrong. Okay, we don't have this. If we have multiplication or division, we have the rules. Now let's make practice. Now, this is a famous question type. Express logarithm of 96 in terms of logarithm of 2 and 3. How could it? So logarithm of 96 is equal to, now, can you tell me that 96 in terms, 96 equals 2 times 3, 4 times 9, something like that. It takes time, so let me use prime factorization. Everyone knows this. So 96 divided by 248, divided by 224, divided by 212, divided by 26, divided by 23, divided by 1. So what can I say? 96 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 1. So I am writing logarithm of 96 is equal to 2 to 5 times 3. So this is equal to, since I have multiplication, I can write that one as a sum. And then 5 is a power, may come in front. And that's it. Normally in SAT or other exams, how the question is being, they say this one. A is log 2, B is log 3. So what is log 96 in terms of A and B? So the answer is, since log 2 is given A, log 3 is given B, so answer is 5A plus 3. Okay, if we have this kind of question. Check it. If you have question, let me look. So I want to ask you something. I want to ask you something. Logarithm of 18. This is now A. This is now B. What will be in terms of A and B? Can you do this and write to the chat screen in terms of A and B? Just use the prime factorization, or directly in your mind also you can do. It's not so difficult. So I want you write it to the chat screen final result in terms of A and B. Let me do it in my mind. So it will be, okay, I did. Are you trying?
Yes.
Oh, okay, let me check the results. Shaza, it should be in terms of A and B. So you are right to answer. Zehra, also you. Hayat, you did well. Bravo. Aya, just check multiplication or addition. Okay, let me do this question one more time. Please follow up. Please look at the board now, all of you. So the thing is this, if you know how to express 18 in your mind, directly write it. 18 means 2 times 9. It's simple. Why 2 times 9? Why not 3 times 6, for example? Uh, when I say 3 times 6, there is no 2 there. But when I write 2 times 9, 9 means 3 to the power of 2. One more time. It is. Now, when I have the multiplication, I can write it as an addition. This was our property. and then log 2. So this is directly right now a. So I have to find this, what will be. Let me do it here. Logarithm to the base 10, 3 to the power of 2 is equal to, by the property, this one. But this is also given as b. That means this is 2b. So final result will be a plus 2b. Now, sometimes if the number is big number, we have a large number, even for 18 also we can do, use prime factorization. What is prime factorization? We only write here the numbers which are prime numbers. We start by 2. 18 is divided by 2, 9. So again, should I write here 2? No, why? 9, it's not divisible by 2. So for that reason, I should write after 2 the next prime. Next prime is optimum prime, you know? So this is 3. 9 is divided by 3 is 3. And then 3 still divides the 3 by 1. So it's 1. So result is 18 is 2 times 3 squared. When I put it, I can get the result. Okay? Any question? Let me check. Shaza, it's good, but at the end we should say that power 2 comes in front, and instead of log 2 we say a. Okay, Zehra, we don't have multiplication, we have addition. So let me say here, this is addition. Why addition? Let's go back. Here the rule, oops, here the rule, if you have product of two things, x times y, the first one plus second one. Even here I have explained, if you look at product of two things, common base is the first one and second one, and we have plus. Okay, any question? Let me pass it. Or one more, and then we will have a break time. I want to ask you again, same thing, but let's say 48 logarithm to the base of 10. I am not writing. What will be in terms of a and b? Okay, not a and b. Let me call this is x. Let me call this is y. In terms of x and y. Please do this. We have 3 minutes to the break time. Today is Friday. And you can solve this in 3 minutes. It's not difficult. Okay. But Shaza, use letters. Tell me in terms of x and y. Hayat says, let me check Hayat. I haven't checked this. 16 or yes. Hayat, that's good. Aisha, that's good. Bravo. Shaza, somehow, not directly. Zehra, that's good. Okay, let me explain. Shaza, please have a look. Please have a look. 48. It's divided by 2. 24. When we get 1, that means it is finished. So 48 is equal to 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. So if I take the logarithm 2 to the power of 4 times 3, now this is equal to, be careful now, When we have multiplication, we should have addition. Don't forget this. When you do the first step, the other simple. So 4 comes in front. Now we said that log 2 is x. So result is 4x plus. Log 3 we said y. Result is 4x plus y. That's it. It's simple. Okay, you understood right now. Okay, very good. Aya Kadir, you see the mistake. Where is it? Just check my solution. Not multiplication. Most of you still, guys, not writing this. It is not times, okay? No. One more time. Log xy, it's not equal to log x times log y. This is wrong. Log xy, log x plus log y. Plus, okay? Not times. Tamam Aya? Okay, let's give now 10 minutes break. Ladies, so let me pause the recording.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you are here, let's continue. Now let me clean this. We solved lots of questions about this last time. Quickly have a look. This is multiplication.
Hocam, the screen is not showing.
Okay, let's do it. Right now, you see, right?
Yep.
Okay, so the log 96 could be written as 2 to 5 times 3. So when we have the multiplication, so outside we add, and then we got the result. Now let's continue with the other example. What about this? So the same way, what can we do? So first of all, which property you see when you look at here? Is it clear? I'm seeing this one, log
It's
x over y, which is log x minus log y. I see this rule. Okay, I think you can see this one also. So let me do it then. Logarithm to the base 10, 32 divided by 9 equals log 32 minus log 9. 32 means, let me think, 16 times 2. So this is 16 times 2 minus log 9 means 3 to 2. So this is, since I have, not 16 times, so I don't like this. I want to write something else. Bishra, what are you saying, Bishra? You can talk. If you have microphone, talk, Bishra, no problem. Let me say not 16 times 2. That's correct. There is no problem. But 32 means 2 to the power of 5 also. Am I right? 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So by using the rule, which rule? Logarithm x to p power, I mean, log x. So this 5 is a power. Let me take it here. Minus this 2 is a power. So that's it. This is the final answer. How could it be questioned? If this is x, if this is y, express the given question in terms of x and y. So the answer will be 5x minus 2y. 5x minus 2y. Okay. Now, let's see the solution. How is it given step by step here? That's it. Okay. Now, it's your turn. Please try this. And on the chat screen, tell to me answer. Let me clean the chat screen. 1 minute. Okay. Anyone in waiting room? I don't think so. We accept. Okay. Okay. I said C. Okay. Others. Let me think. 125 is 525. 125 to the power of 3. 27 is 39. 3 to the power of 3. Let's see. It seems the answer is C. Right? It seems C. Let's have a look together. It seems C. Why C? Let's think. 125, we can write 5 to the power of 3. 27, we can write 3 to the power of 3. So it will be ln 5 to the power of 3 over 3 to the power of 3, which is equal to, since I have division, ln 5 to 3 minus ln 3 to 3, I can say, by using the power rule, 3 times ln 5 minus 3 times ln 3. That's it. This is the answer. If it is normal classical question, 3 common parentheses, ln 5 minus ln 3, also I can say 3 common parentheses, ln 5 minus 3. Or if I want to move back to prove this, this is 3 times ln 5 over 3. And this is now the power comes here, ln 5 over 3 to the power of 3, which is ln 125 over 27. Like a proof, okay, I have done. You see, we got the same thing. So the answer is C. Now, let me ask you something else. ln 81 divided by 25. What will be if this is x, if this is y? Can you solve this? ln 81 over 25 in terms of x and y. 81, 25. Not yet. I 3x. No. 81 is 3 to the power of 4. 3, 9, 27, 81. Now it's okay. Yes, Aya, now it's okay. Aisha, it's okay. Good. Good. Others. Let me check the participant list. Okay, for example, Lujane. Lujane, are you here now? Lujane?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it together, Lujane. Can you help me? Like this. Lujane, 81. How can you express 3 to the power of something or 5 to the power of something? One of them we prefer. 81, 3 to something or 5 to something. Which one? Think a bit. How could it be 81? If it's difficult, we use Lugane prime factorization. We divide by 2, but it's not divisible. So after 2, we have 3. When you divide by 3, it is 27.
8.
So when we got 1, that means it's finished. So 81 is equal to 3 to the power of 4. So we are writing 3 to the power of 4. And 25, how can we write 25? 5 to the power of 2?
2, yeah.
Now, we have this rule, ln or logarithm, whatever, not important, x over y. Do you remember the rule? Maybe you were absent first hour. Let me write the rule. When you have division, numerator minus denominator, like this, logarithm of numerator minus logarithm of denominator. So what should I write then? ln means logarithm to the base e, we know this. ln numerator. So what is numerator here?
3 to the power of 4.
Minus, what is denominator?
5 to the power of 2.
Now we have one more rule. Logarithm x to p, p times logarithm x. Or ln, let's say 2 to the power of 6 is 6 times ln 2. So this is being same, but the power comes in front. For using this rule, can we say something? What can I write? Think a bit.
ln is...
Before
wait,
ln, we should write power. What is the power?
4.
4 times ln 3. Is it okay?
Okay, yeah.
Minus, now what about this? How can we write?
2 multiplied by ln
Very
5.
good. Very good. Now, Eugene, if we call ln 3x and ln 5y, so what should it be my result?
ln 3x.
So result is 4x minus 2y.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Come on, let's paste this.
Okay.
Let's paste this. Okay, simplify. To solve this question, we should remember, first of all, ladies, this very important rule. And in SAT also, you see lots of questions in this way. Example. So how can I write this? 3 over 7. All we know this, right? If we know, I can continue. If not, let me try to explain. But this is the rule we have to memorize. Memorize this one. Okay? So one more, for example, 11th root of x squared. What will be? X to the power of 2 over 11. That's it. If you have this, you can also write that. I mean, if you have x to the power of 3, 7, you can say that 7th root of x to the power of 3. We have to be familiar. It's very important. Now, let's go back to our question. Equals logarithm to the base 2. Now, 32 and index is 3. It means that 32 to the power of 1 over 3. I think it's clear. There is no problem. And then 1 over 3, since it's a power, take it directly out. 1 over 3 times logarithm to the base of 2 of number 32. Anything to ask me till now? Check the steps one by one. Do not hesitate. Please ask me if there is something not clear for you. Okay, it's not a shame. This is mathematics. This is wrong. We are studying with not your own language, not with your mother language, okay? There are lots of difficulties, not in the class, it's online. Just ask me whenever you have something. So when I do prime factorization, it is equal to 2 to the power of 5. I mean, if you don't see this in your mind, normally you should. 32 is not difficult. 2 for 8, 16, 32. You should be familiar. So what I will have now 1 over 3 log 2 to 32, now 2 to the power of 5. Now by using the power rule, Bishra, any question? Hello, Bishra? No question. Okay. Now this power comes in front as a multiple. So this is left. Logarithm of 2 to the base 2, it's a rule that it is 1. What was the rule? Log b to b is 1. So final result is 5 over 3. That's it. Check the calculation, please. Anything to ask me? No. Okay. If there is something, do not hesitate, directly ask. Now, explanation. Now, let's try to do this. Now, dear students, here a little bit different, the structure. But the rule is rule. We have the rule. What was the rule? Rule was this. ln x, or ln logarithm, no problem. I mean, same thing. ln x times y is equal to ln x plus Büşra. Do not annotate anything. If you have any question, feel free to talk directly or write in the chat screen, okay? Or just ask permission, teacher, can I annotate, can I write to the screen something? This is maybe it's fifth time for that reason I'm saying, not first time, second time. ln x plus ln y. Second rule, what is the second rule? Second rule is this, ln x over y is equal to ln x minus ln y. Here be careful. When we have this side, we use in the previous question right side. Now in this question, now right side is given, probably we have to use left side. One more time. Here the right side, it was given and we expressed the question like this, or quotient of the logarithm given, we said that this is subtraction. So I am saying that now this part is given, ln x minus ln y. So what will be this? And rule 3, let's say what was the ln x to p is equal to p times ln x. This is power rule. Now together, first of all, take this 3 right now here. Take this 2 right now here. So can I write together again? Look at please. E to the power of 4 to the power of 3. Why? Normally, if I have only this question, this is equal to 3 times ln e to 4. So 3 times ln e to 4. Minus, if I take the 2 back, it will be ln e to the power of 2 to the power of 2. E to the power of 2 in the question. This 2 is power, comes there. So it will be now ln e to the power of 4 to the power of 3. Simple exponential number rules. X to the power of n to the power of m, n times m. Example. This rule we should know. And we know probably. So this will be ln e to the power of 12 minus ln e to the power of 4. Now, dear ladies, there could be lots of ways. I can use this one, But now I don't want to use. I can use, but I don't want to use. Why? I know this rule. Which rule? ln e to p is directly p. Why? ln means logarithm to the base e to p, which is rule number 3, says that, or it was for logarithm, for the ln directly, this rule, okay, we can say, no problem. Now, what am I going to say? ln e means logarithm to the base of e to 12. Logarithm to base of e to 4. So power rule says that if these are, result is directly 12 minus 4, which is 8. If you prefer to use the division, yes, you can. Let me also explain here by using the division. But no need, this is shorter if we compare. Now, okay. Now, ln e to 12 minus ln e to 4 is equal to ln e to 12 divided by e to 4, I can say, by using rule number 2. And then this is equal to ln e to the power of 12 minus 4. Why? These are the exponential rules. If you have x to n divided by x to m, x to the power of n minus m. Example, 2 to 7, 2 to 5 is equal to 2 to 7 minus 5, which is 2 to 2, which is 4, we know. Now, and then 12 minus 4 is 8. We have ln e to the power of 8. Bishra, I am sending you out from the class. And I don't want you to do this again. Just 5 minutes, wait outside. Now, let's continue. ln e to the power of 8. So what can I say? By using power rule, 8 comes in front. 8 times ln e. And I know that ln e means 1. So 8 times 1 is equal to 8. So even we solve here, even we solve here. So it is totally depending on you. So to sum up the same question, how can I solve this? I can directly do this ln e to the power of 4 to the power of 3 minus ln e to the power of 2 to the power of 2. Then ln e to the power of 12 minus ln e to the power of 4. And then this is 12 minus 4. And then this is 8. Okay? Anything to ask me for each step? Why, how?
No, sir, it's clear.
Come on, let's go the other slide, other page of the slide. Okay, it's your turn now. Try this one. Okay. Hayat says D. Zehra says D. Let's see now what is the answer. Answer is D. I am passing. I hope that's clear. It's not difficult. Now the new question. Let me take the Bushra again here. Okay. Now expand L 4m cube n5. I mean rewrite this by using rules. This is the question. So what am I going to do? Since I have ln 4 times n cubed times n to the power of 5. This is the question. I just copy paste same thing. So since I have the multiplication, when I have the multiplication with the same base, I just add them, or I just get the sum of the logarithms separately. And then ln4 is ln4. I can't do anything else. I can use calculator. That's it. But leave it like that, ln4. M cubed, since this is the power, take the power in front. Since this is the power 5, take the power in front. That's it. This is the final result. Let us see solution. How is it given in the book? Yeah, as I told you, okay? ln 4, 3 ln m, 5 ln n. Any question for this? We can't do anything else. That's it.
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah. Now, what about this? Let me give you time. But it takes time. It's not so easy. But we don't have the final result, just expansion. Let me do it. Let me do it. This is equal to, first of all, division. Division means subtraction. Log 2x minus 3 divided by log 3 times 4th root of x. Okay? Now, dear ladies, when you have subtraction inside of the logarithm, you cannot do anything. That's over, finish. One more time. Logarithm of x minus y is not equal to log x minus log y, or is not equal to log x over y. No. If you have log x minus log y, this is equal to log x over y. Yes, it is. It's okay. But this, no. This, no. Okay? So what can I do then? What can I do then? Logarithm 2x minus 3, it's here. Do not touch. It's over, finished. Logarithm 3 times 4 root of x. Now I can work here. Why? When I have logarithm of x times y, this is logarithm of x plus logarithm of y. This is the rule. So this is equal to, let me write here, log 3 plus log 4th root of x. Now this is finished. I can't go. This is finished. I can't go further. But what about this? This could be express x to the power of 1 over 4. We study this. So this is equal to then 1 over 4 times log x. So this is the final case. So to sum up, what is the answer or result? Let's say, what is the result right now? Log 2x minus 3 plus log 3 plus 1/4 log x. That's it. This is the answer of the question. Check it one more time. And let me take screenshots. I will share with you. So this is the answer of the question. I will show you right now how is the solution in our PowerPoint. Let's see. Yes, yes, and this. Okay. Now let's continue. Here there is minus. Did I say minus or plus? Let me check it. It's clean, no problem. Minus goes, yeah, this minus goes for both. So I have to use parentheses. When I use the parentheses, it will be both negative. I think I have given it was plus, I did not distribute. So when I distribute, it will be minus and minus. So this is the final case. So let me take a photo of this. Okay. Now other question, if we have, let's see. Okay, now, yeah, your turn. Please try this and write to the private chat screen your answer. To the chat screen, you can write your answer.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
No, sir, I was just saying okay.
Yeah, okay, then. Yes. Hayat, it seems okay. Aya, it's okay. It's simple question, not difficult. Only application, implementation of the rule, nothing else. If you have division, so you have to get the difference of the logarithms. So firstly, logarithm of numerator minus logarithm of denominator. That's it, nothing else. Okay, Aya said, Hayat, Aya, Maya, Ayşe, Zehra, Shaza, Lujain, you are all right. Yes, Lujain, answer is A. So let's see what is the answer. Answer is A. X cube. Let me explain quickly. Maybe there could be problem for some of us. Let me explain. Ln x cube minus, since we have division, ln radical x minus 7. And then x cube, take the 3 in front, 3 ln x and minus. By the way, this is the test question. Even after this step, check it, 3 ln x, 3 ln x, 3 ln x, minus plus, so plus, no, no, no. So the answer is directly A. But let's continue. Ln x minus 7 to the power of 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 comes in front. 3 ln x minus 1 over 2. Ln x minus 7 is the answer of the question. Very good. Now, what about this? What can we say? Let me check time also. We have 5 minutes. So let me go over the slide. Let's see. That's the answer. Let's check it one more time. So power may come here. So x to the power of 1 over 2 will be root x. Okay? And then there is minus. If there is minus till here, that means this is the numerator. Yes, this is the numerator. And then now this is denominator part. So 3 is multiple, so take it here. That means